Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One, and this is another one-stop watch video. This is going to be another quick video. So this is the garlic and potatoes. I want to give a shout out to my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching and continue to support my channel. I really appreciate it. I also appreciate the ones who watch and may not be subscribed and comment. Everything is appreciated, believe it or not. Up next is the mint, and so far so good. You guys, you know I am still struggling with rosemary propagation. I do not know what I'm doing wrong. Do anybody have any pointers? Alright you guys, so up next is my herb garden, which only consists of kale because everything else died out. You guys, next is the cauliflower, and I'm just curious to see how long the cauliflower is going to survive and keep on going, because I don't expect to get anything from it, but it is strong. You guys, it is not dying out like it said no. Alright you guys, let's get into the tower, which consists of habanero peppers and eggplants, and I just have the one eggplant, and from the look of things it might be the last eggplant, but with the habanero peppers I see little flower buds trying to grow more peppers, so I'm not mad, but I'm not sure that it's going to have much success. Alright you guys, let's get into the ginger, and so far it looks like the ginger may be ready to harvest, but I'm going to give it a week or two before I do. The last ginger that I harvested that was small, it made really nice ginger tea. So you guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my videos, because I post consistently so you won't miss me. But anyway, thanks for watching, and for more videos like this, click here.